Good morning. A couple of weeks ago, I shared with you a simple framework for asking questions that are pitched at the right level for your child. And that got me thinking about coffee. And more specifically, how you can apply a particular rule about coffee to make the most of those brilliant questions that you are now asking your child. So when I was a barista many years ago and we would set up the coffee machine first thing in the morning, we had to check that it was all working smoothly by making an espresso. And the perfect espresso needed to take 8 seconds to pour, and we would count it out in elephants. 1 elephant, 2 elephant, 3 elephant. Until you had a perfect 8-second espresso. So I've had my espresso. Let me tell you a little bit more about how on earth this applies to the way that you ask your child questions. Well, it all comes down to counting those elephants and really just being mindful about waiting a little bit longer in giving our children time to answer that question. When we ask a question, it can be tempting to dive in and help them out with it or rephrase the question. Actually, I challenge you to count in your head how long you wait before it feels too uncomfortable and you want to dive in and say something. I would imagine that it might only be 2 or 3 seconds, because that silence for us busy grown-ups is really challenging for us to sit with. But for children, it's busy thinking time. There's a lot going on when you ask your child a question. You are asking them to then quietly process and understand that question, think about what they might think of that, what the answer might be, and also then formulate how they're going to tell you that idea, how they're going to put all their words together and share their thinking with you. So in those few seconds that feel so incredibly lengthy for us, there's a lot going on for your child and they are busy thinking about your question and how to reply most of the time. So whether you choose to count elephants or think of that espresso pouring into the cup, whatever it is, choose something for you that helps you mindfully wait just a few extra seconds to give your child time to think about what you've said and to reply thoughtfully. And let me know in the comments below how you got on with this. Was this a challenge for you to wait those few extra seconds? Did it feel uncomfortable? What happened? Let me know in the comments below. And of course, do like this video if you think that this is a good idea that you're going to try out, and you can hit subscribe for new videos from me, Bryony Rust, Salt by the Sea, every week. I'll see you soon.